guys! What's up? It's your girl Didi and welcome to... For this video, we got a sponsor! Yay! Thank you so much, Javira Trading, for sponsoring this video. Ta-da! Jackfruit, jackfruit, jackfruit. So we have a variety of jackfruit products by this sponsor. Thank you so much for sponsoring. Please sponsor again soon. And I think I'm gonna try the curry, of course, which is a new product on the shelves. Yes, check out your supermarkets, see if you have it. And it's organic, and it's a great vegan vegetarian protein substitute. It's not as high as meat, but it will do the trick. Simple, quick and easy to prepare your jackfruit vegan meal. And it's perfect because Lent is coming up for all those who are fasting as well. Let's get into it. From the nutrition facts label, you can see that it's very low in calories, so that's really good. It's not gonna add to your weight. There's a good amount of dietary fiber in there, so that's good for your digestive system, and it helps with weight loss as well. Helps reduce the risk of constipation. And it's saying it has 0 fat, 0 saturated fat, cholesterol 0, potassium 0, sodium 0. So, oh my gosh, those renal patients will be happy. And it's already seasoned with everything that you need. Onion, ginger, garlic, spices, honey, tomato sauce, vinegar, water, soy sauce, green chili, cabbage, celery leaf, and sesame oil. Let's open it. Ooh, Indian curry. Ah, it feels so squishy. Let's open it. So this is the first time that I'm opening it, and it looks like it's completed already. Isn't that amazing? Wow. I don't think I need to do anything with it. It's already seasoned, curried, and cooked. Isn't that amazing? Consume completely once opened. That's it. I don't need to do anything. It's a miracle. So the instructions do say to heat it for 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that. Jackfruit is also packed with vitamins and calcium and iron as well. It's really, really good. Now I'm going to taste it. You can eat this with your roti or rice. Tastes like chicken. It's a little spicy, but I love it hot. And it tastes so good, just like chicken does. If you tried it out, let me know how it turns out. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Bye! Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Yummy, yummy. Bye! Thanks for sponsoring. Thank you so much, Javira.